Greetings, guys. Trust you all are doing great. Trust you all are good. I don't know the time you're watching this video, if it's morning, afternoon, night. So I would say good afternoon, good morning, and good evening. Sorry, I mixed it up. But anyways, we are good. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to access Grok 4.1, which is the latest model for Grok. Either Grok Imagine, just for video generation and image generation. So first we need to go to our browser. That's if you're using your phone or you're using your laptop, go to your browser. You're using Google Chrome or you're using Microsoft Edge or you're using DuckDuckGo. There are different type of browsers. So just go to your browser and search for Grok Imagine. Grok Imagine. Now it brings you to this first site. This particular first site that is here. Now, once you're on this site, you need to sign up. As you can see on this site, it's either image generation or video generation. So either you sign up or sign in. So if you already have an account before, sign in, and if you don't have an account, sign up. For this video, I'll be using a new account, so I'll be signing up. Now, one thing I always advise people to do is whenever you're coming to something like this, whenever you're coming to sites like this, in order for you not to forget your password, I always tell people to continue with Google. But like I said, I already have an account before, so I won't be using my accounts. So I'll be using a different account, and that's the reason why I'm signing up with mail. But best option I always advise people is sign up with Google or continue with Google. And any one of your choice, you can either, as you can see here, you can either sign up with mail, sign up with your Apple account, or sign up with Google. Any one of your choice. And if you already have an account, you can just sign in or sign up with X, that's Twitter account. Any one of this, you can use in signing up. So here on email, I'm going to sign up. So I'll pause this video for me to sign up, and once I'm done, I'll continue it. Yeah, so once you finish putting your mail, and if you continue with Google, you don't need to go through all of this. But if, like I said, let me just sign up. If you're actually going through this process, that's like putting your mail and everything, you have to just do it manually and everything. So let me just sign. Once I sign up and once I'm on the interface, I'll continue the video. So yeah, we are good to go. Now once you're in this interface, what you want to do is you want to check if you actually have access to everything I mentioned earlier on the other accounts, which I said you can actually do a 10 seconds video and you can do a 720p resolution video on the other accounts, but on this account you can only do a 6 seconds video and a 480p video. Okay, so next thing is, how do we access this? Because once you connect your card to this place, they'll ask you, for you to access this, they'll tell you that you should connect your card. So once you're here, you see start 7 days free trial. Now you need your card to start this 7 days free trial. So how do we do it? Next is you go to this website. I'll drop the website link in this video description, or I should drop it in the comment section also of this video. Then also I'll be dropping it in the community, as we have a community. I'll be dropping the link for the community in the video description. Next thing is we go to this place. I'll drop the link also, vccgenerator.org. So I'll go to this website and generate my card 622479, and I want to teach you guys. So when you're on this place, you would, for the date and month, put it in random, leave it in random. I'll be generating 10 of this, and I'll be dropping more than 10 in the group, in the community. So if you've watched this video to this extent, you'll be able to understand what I mean. So once you see the card, you don't need to stress yourself to come and generate bin, or you don't need to come and show success, come and generate card again. So you can just copy it from the group and just activate your own Grok once and for all. Just follow me. I click on generate, and yeah, as you can see, I have cards here to use. So I'll be using this card. So what you just need to do is copy this number that is there, which I did it for my own, and I'll start 7 days trial. When you click on start 7 days trial, it's bring you here. Now, next thing you want to do is click on card. When you click on card, it asks for your card number. So put your card information. When you put your card information, the expiry date and the CVC. So 7/29, and the CVC, I think quantity, I'll be generating 10, and once I generate this 10, I'll be dropping, because I'll be using only one, so I'll be dropping the remaining 9. Yeah, so after you put, sorry, I can't find, okay. So after you, okay, I've sent, I was looking for my cursor. So after you put the card information and the card expiry month and year, you put the CVC. Should be told, I don't need me of CVC. Someone can tell me in the comment section. So now CVC is 788. My CVC is 788, and the name on the card, you can put a random name. Name on my card is I am Emperor. No, sorry, just leave I am. Leave it alone. Then select your country and religion. Sorry, region. Region. Yeah, I'll be living it in Nigeria, and if you're using another country like USA now, they'll be telling you to put this zip code or postal code. I think they are the same thing, I don't know. But they'll tell you to put one code like that. And me, I don't know USA zip code. Like I said, this video is educational purpose, so I don't cross my boundary. I'm still in Nigeria. Yeah. So after you've done that, you click on Nigeria, then you click on start trial. Now wait for this thing to load. Once it loads, once it's verified, just wait for this processing. Now, as you can see, it's verified. So now it's to show you what you've unlocked. As you can see, your subscription is now active. You have unlocked increased access to Grok 4.1. The last time I did this thing, it was Grok 4.0. That's when Grok 4 just came outside. Now they've helped you, like, this is the latest Grok. So once you unlock it, you have access to the latest Grok 4.1. You have extended memory. That's the internal memory of the Grok, or extended increase it. Then image model, yeah. You'll be given access to the best image model and video model, which is 720p resolution and 10 seconds per generation. So every of your prompts generates in 720p resolution and it generates in 10 seconds. So then companion, that won't give someone that is it. The person will be your companion. So it's an AI. So the person chats to Annie, Valentine, just you can, when you're here, you understand. Yeah. So as you can see here, we've accessed the 10 seconds video. We have access to the 10 seconds video, and we have access to the 720p video resolution. In this video, if you actually like I can just like go through it, copy the prompts here, and or let me say this is the video, so I can just like I can just make it fun and make one or little tweak about it, and trust me, it's going to load. So it's something that you can easily get the prompt and copy it. It's not that hard. Kulofa, Ben. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Please share the video and like and subscribe. You want to be good, you don't want to like and subscribe. Why you like this? Like and subscribe. I love you. Bye bye.